Well, I've been working on the 914, got the tools out. This is the black box that was attached to the front of the battery tray. We're in search of the hell hole, and I think I found it. There is the battery tray. You can see a little bit of corrosion on the base of it, but certainly not bad. Down in the base, I believe this is the infamous hell hole. Right down here. It looks like it's all seam sealed and painted. Hope you can see that in the video. But I guess there's a lot of cause for concern. Water, I guess, gets trapped in there, and mud and moisture, and it just rots out. Well, this does have the drain, these two little drain funnels on both sides of this rear pan, so when it rains, I guess it directs the water down through the car. But overall, it looks really good. I did get it up on the lift and got a bunch of undercarriage pictures. That battery tray is probably the worst looking part of the whole car, and there's certainly no damage. It just took a little bit of the paint off. Get one more look here at the old hell hole. Looks like there's a nut and a couple of bolts. I don't know what, something's attached down there. I'm learning a lot about this 914, and that's why I love bringing trailer auctions. You learn so much. And I'm certainly an old dog, and I'm learning new tricks. Hope this helps. Thank you very much.